Welcome to FX Options University, recorded live at the International Securities Exchange, the world's largest equity options exchange. Join the industry's top trading professionals as they provide insight and strategies for trading in the currency markets using FX options. FX options are a low-risk alternative to hedging currency moves in any market condition.
Welcome, everyone. This is Steve Meisinger, your host for today's ISE webinar. I'm pleased that we have Christophe Chevalier with Trading Central. Christophe will be talking about FX option trend opinions, insight into the popular RSI indicator. I'm sure it'll be a great presentation, so I'm glad you're all here today. Just a couple of things before we actually get started. Just want to remind everyone that taxes, margin, and commission are not included in any kind of the examples that we will go through today, or Christophe will go through today. If you're interested in learning more about options, of course, FX Options is a great place to go. Also, you can go to optionseducation.org. A little bit about the ISE FX Options. Well, you just need to have an account with an equity options broker. And if you would like, if you have further questions on that, I should say, well, you can contact me at smeisinger@ise.com. I'll repeat that again. It's smeisinger, MEIZINGER @ise.com. Or you can go to the FX Options site and go to the Ask, and you could just inquire about brokers, and I'll give you some more details on that. These currency pairs are exchange-listed securities. They're cash-settled in U.S. dollars. They're European-style exercise. You can trade them as spreads. And we just added 4 currency pairs that look just like the spot market. So we now have Aussie-US, British Pound-US, Euro-US, and also New Zealand Dollar-US. So you can trade either way. And the symbols are right there on slide 3. The FX Options site, we continue to add more and more tools. There's going to be a really neat tool coming very soon called the Option Skew. We should have that in the next month or two. I think you all really love that, and that's coming. The Trader Forum, you have the events calendar. We always have news. We had a virtual trading contest. We might have another one of those, and we have plenty of tools. So now I would like to introduce Christophe Chevalier. Christophe will be talking about FX option trend opinions and the insight into RSI. Christophe, thanks for joining us.
Do you hear me, Steve?
Yes, you're live. Thank you.
Okay, thanks. So, good morning again, everybody. And I apologize for my accent. I hope you will understand me quite well. So I will talk about today about the RSI in the first part of my presentation. And during the second half of my presentation, I will follow up our last webinar when we advise some views about the US dollar on different forex pairs. You will see how it works and we try to forecast what could be the next currency moves for the next weeks. So as you can see on this first slide, this is the fxoptions.com website. You can find some very interesting tools as Steve we told you before, and especially this one. Choose another color. This is the IEC Web TV hosted by Remy Blair every Thursday morning. She will explain you what is Trading Central view about the next currency moves for the coming weeks. And she will speak about what were our last trade ideas and how it works in the past and what will be our forecast for the coming week. We provide at Trading Central two kinds of products to IAC clients. First of all is trend opinions, which are released in every Monday. This is our main forecast on about the most reliable pair of the moment. And you have also some new trade alerts which are released when we think a great opportunity is available on the market on different pairs against the euro, against the dollar. It could be dollar euro, dollar British pound, dollar yen, etc. And this is recorded in our virtual portfolio, which is worth around 150% performance since the beginning of the year. So on this slide, you can see what trade alert looks like. We have here the underlying, in this case the British pound. You can find what is our opinion with a 5 point in case of invalidations. It is in blue line, and what kind of option we would like to buy to play this scenario. In this case, a put with a strike at 148 and the taker of the option. Okay. And here you have the trade opinion, which is nearly the same as the trade alert, but which is not recorded in our virtual portfolio. So let's come to the technical analysis in general. I guess many of you have already heard about technical analysis. So this is the study of market actions through the use of charts and oscillators. RSI is one of the different oscillators. Charts, you may know what it looks like. This is what you see on your in front of your screen or in TV when you probably shown some price actions. So in the technical analysis philosophy, we believe that the prices reflect all information available on the markets, and the goal of technical analysis is to provide a forecast or a prospective view through the studies of historical prices, because we believe that the prices evolve always through the same psychology of investors. Investors still behave the same way through the ages, I would say, through the years. There is so when you can see a kind of pattern which worked well in the past, there is a strong probability that it will also work well in the future. And the last point is that the technical analysis focuses on price evolution and not the reasons behind the evolution. So if, for example, if a pair, if the euro dollar goes down, we will trade. We'll recommend to sell the euro dollar without trying to see what is really behind the evolution of the euro dollar. For example, we say this is because of some problems in Europe, or because the US economy is recovering very well. It could be the correct reason, but in the technical analysis, we don't really mind of the reasons behind the moving of the price.
Get trading ideas, exchange rates, webinars, news, and commentary. Visit www.fxoptions.com. ISE FX options can be easily traded through all options-enabled brokerage accounts.